Good afternoon. It's time for our Sunday evening checkup. Things seem to be progressing well. Lettuce is doing very well. Got a beet plant coming up right here next to it. And this lettuce is looking really, really good. I think I'm gonna have some lettuce for dinner today. Oh, look at there. Tomato plant's got some buds on it, some flowers. We're gonna have tomatoes pretty soon. Oh, same thing with the peppers. Look at that. Yep, we're gonna have some peppers pretty soon. What you say? Oh, look at there. Strawberries doing pretty good. Looks like I'm missing a strawberry. What? What? I know the wife didn't take it. Look at there. Some animal been eating my strawberries and just ate it all. Except the little piece that wasn't quite ripe. Uh-oh, look at there. Spinach. Today, look at that spinach. It's just growing like a weed. And these peas are popping up. Looks like we got a little twirl going on here on some of them. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. And here's our lettuce. This is actually a different kind of lettuce, I'm told. But this other lettuce down here, which is really beautiful, we're gonna have some of that for dinner today also. All right, cabbage coming along. Starting to see the head form. Collard greens coming along. Getting stronger every day. Yep, yes sirree, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. And I was just informed that this is arugula, a type of lettuce. And it's growing like crazy. I just tested a piece and it's a little spicy, a little peppery. Yeah, But it's gonna make it beautiful for our salad this evening. And things are looking up. And that's our Sunday evening checkup.